All right, folks, it's still January 21st, 2019, and starting on this American autowire kit. At first, this thing could be pretty overwhelming. The wires are very long. Of course, it's trimmed to fit. I mean, this section right here is the rear body harness, and you can see it measures longer than the whole car itself. Some of these wires you have to cut and double back and double crimp them. So what I did first was obviously the easiest thing, the trunk lid harness. I think this is the only section of this whole kit that is plug and play. I think it's pretty much the identical that you would get whenever you order from, Classic Industries or Eckler's or wherever, just a trunk lid harness. So it feeds down this tunnel right here, pops out there. And this is going to plug to the rear body harness, okay? And then you run your reverse lights and your parking lights, to the other side. It can only go one way. So this is part one. I'm just laying everything out and getting organized here. It's kind of important that you lay out all your terminals and you see exactly what you got. It comes with step-by-step directions. So if you follow the directions, I don't see how you can mess up. Definitely you got to do this sober, so no beer drinking while doing this. I did order both crimpers for this, a dual crimper and a single crimp tool, so I'm going to be using that. So today I'm just going to focus on the rear body harness. That includes, from directions, it includes the gas tank sending unit, the headliner courtesy lights, which I already ran. I reused the old wires for that. They seemed fine. Trunk lid harness, that's reverse and parking and turn signal, and then the quarter panel lights, which is turn signal, brake, and driving lights. And I believe there's a license plate light included in that. And that should be it for the rear body harness. Pretty straightforward. Stay tuned.